We're trying to figure out the ratio of the percent paid by the patient to the percent paid by primary insurance was greatest and then least. All right, so I'm trying to find patient to primary insurance. So if I look at the grid, patient is going to be a teal color over primary insurance is a purple color. And we want the greatest and least. So what I want you to think about, if you have a fraction, do you want, for you to get the greatest number, do you want a bigger number in the top or bigger number in the bottom? So you want a big number in the top and a little number in the bottom denominator to get the biggest number. And then to get the least number, you want a big number in the bottom and a little number in the top. So go look at your graph. And where is your biggest patient? The largest number patient, so look at the teal ones, is going to be over in 2013 with a 43.3. And where is the smallest primary insurance? Purple. That just in that same 2013, it's 50.4. So 2013 is where you're going to get the greatest. Now, let's go back and look. We're looking at, once again, the teal color. And this time, I'm looking for little. The littlest teal. The littlest teal is in 2008. Now, does that happen to be the biggest? 2008, sure enough, it's 62 for primary insurance, and that's the largest one given. So 2013 for the greatest and 2008 for the least.